Hey, this is John from Dan's Crafts and Things. I just wanted to let you know about a couple new things we just got in that are pretty cool. Take a look at these Vex Robotic Kits. I'm especially fond of this boxing bot set. There's two boxing self-balancing robots in this kit. You operate them with an app on your device, your phone or your tablet, and kind of like Rock'em Sock'em robots. We also have the BattleBots kits and some other, like this off-road truck. Another one you operate with an app on your phone. You have to build it all, and then you get to drive it around. In addition to those, we got these cool Rollercoaster Kits in. 3 different versions, 3 different price points. This little guy here is only $39.99. And we have a little demo here we can show you. Just push the little button. It climbs up the hill and then zooms around. Very fun. So that's what's new here at Dan's Crafts and Things. Come and see us. We can help you pick out perfect holiday gifts for everyone on your list.